Yo, welcome back. If you're new to this channel, I'm Ben Fisher, the owner and tattoo artist here at Inkbrush. So what's the best tattoo practice skin for learning how to tattoo, and why is it so important to use a good quality skin? Well, that's exactly what I want to cover in this video. First of all, if you're watching this video, then I'm guessing you're relatively new to tattooing. Well, I'm glad that you found this channel, and you will be too. I've tons of uploads aimed purely at anyone wanting to learn how to tattoo, from lessons aimed at the complete beginner to more advanced tips and tricks for the professional artist wanting to up the tattoo game. Firstly, let's talk why it's so important to use top quality practice skins. When you're learning how to tattoo, you'll need to be learning on something that is as close to the real thing as possible, that feels real, moves like real skin, reacts to needle in a similar way to actual skin would. Otherwise, when you move from practicing to tattooing real people, it'd almost be like starting the whole learning process from the beginning again. Now, I'll be uploading videos on here covering every aspect of tattooing, from line work to whip shading, from using stipple shading to blocking in areas of black, from simply small tattoo to mastering portrait step by step. Now, as you can imagine, I've used a hell of a lot of this practice skin, and also used my fair share of different brands, but one has stood out from crowd for me, and that's why I've put this video together, because I think it could really help you grow as an artist that little bit faster if you're using the right gear. First, I just want to say no way is this video sponsored in any way, shape or form, but the skin that I use is called real skin. So why do I think this is the best skin for you to be using? Well, first reason is the skin's movement and flexibility. It stretches, which not many other brands do. It makes it feel more like actual skin. The second is that the ink goes in very well compared to others that I've used. Now, I don't think that they will ever get it exactly the same as real skin. However, for me, this is what closest that I've actually found. The next is the ease of cleaning. Now, most other brands that I've used are an absolute nightmare and leave smeared ink all over the place, which causes huge problems being able to see what you're doing. However, with real skin, I just use Dettol wipes to wipe the excess ink away, and so far it's done a really good job. The one downside that I've found across all the fake skins is the stencil is very hard to keep crisp. Now, if you're new to tattooing, please be reassured that when you're applying stencils to real people's skin, they'll be a lot neater and crisper, so please don't panic. Well, I hoped that you found this video helpful, and if you're currently deciding which artificial skin to use, definitely go give real skin a try. I personally won't use any other brand again. Cheers everyone, and I'll see you at next video.